Good afternoon, friends, and welcome to my channel. My name is Robin, and this is my closet. I do all sorts of unboxings: beauty, lifestyle, jewelry, fashion. So if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos. And if you're returning, as always, I do appreciate your loyalty to my channel. So today I am doing an Allure unboxing. I did cancel the subscription only because I get so many beauty boxes. I just have nowhere to keep all this stuff, and there's only so many mascaras I can use in a lifetime or give away. So this will be my last box for a while, and I will leave the link below and a discount code if you'd like to try it. I mean, I highly recommend it, but there's only so many beauty boxes. So it comes with the magazine, a little magazine that tells you everything that's in it. Nicely wrapped. And these boxes are great. They're great for setting things out in. They're great for gifts. They're really nice boxes. The first thing is a little scratch ticket. So you're supposed to, starting in January, you discover our makeover of the Allure Beauty Box, including collectibles. Oh, so of course I cancel, and now they're starting a great box. Might have to continue. The first thing is by Nyx, and it's a really beautiful mauvey color lip gloss. It's called Liply. And I am not going to unpackage it because I might gift this. Again, I have so many of the same color. The next thing is Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towel. So cute. It's just a little single towel. Great to put in your purse. The next thing is by Ren Overnight Recovery Balm. At night, melt balm with your fingertips and gently massage onto clean, dry skin until absorbed. So it's a great sample size. That's what's nice about these beauty boxes, is you can try so many products out without having to buy them and then not like them. Ooh, the next thing, well, I just dropped one thing. It looks like a highlighter bronzing palette. And of course, I do not have my scissors. Okay, these are beautiful colors. You see that? This is Ofra Highlighter Everglow by Ofra Cosmetics. I do get a lot of their products in my boxes. So that's beautiful. Let me see what I dropped. It looks like a pencil by Lash Splash Art Key. It's a eyeliner, a waterproof slim eyeliner. It's a beautiful color. It's like a rose gold case. So that is really nice. I can't wait to try that. And the last thing in the box is the Nubian by Juvia's Pressed Pigment eyeshadows. And of course, I have to open the box. I'm gonna have to keep the scissors around because I don't open boxes very well. I am totally destroying this. Okay, I finally got it out. The box is totally destroyed. What a cute case. And I love the green color. And look at those colors. Those are really nice colors. So let me go over the retail price of these products. I might have to uncancel my box. The Ofra Everglow Highlighter retails for $35. The lipstick that, I'm sorry I didn't open, retails for $6.99. The eyeshadow palette, the beautiful eyeshadow palette, retails for $20. The Recovery Balm, that overnight, even though they're showing it that way, but I got a tube. So I can't wait to try it. It retails for $48. I'm assuming this isn't the $48 size. And that beautiful eyeliner, the waterproof slim eyeliner, retails for $14. And then it tells you in here where you can get all these products at. So if you do fall in love with something and you want to order it, it does tell you. And it's also showing a bag of those little mini makeup removers. So I'm definitely going to have to look for those. They're by Neutrogena, but I've never seen a little bag of minis. So let me know what you thought of this box, if you think I should continue it. The price, you know, I'm so lousy at prices. I want to say it's only like $15. Of course, I'll leave the link and the price below, but it wasn't a lot of money. The only problem is, I said, I have so many lipsticks, so many mascaras. Yeah, and I'll put the promo code. So let me know what you thought of this video. Comment, comment, comment. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.